So in the previous lecture, we have successfully launched or installed this application of tic-tac-toe. That is a React based application. And one thing I have to show you. So if you open the VS Code, so as you can see that I have all the files, but notice that there is a one folder called as a notes underscore modules. And if you go on to my repository, so this is my repository Rohit Marathe and tic-tac-toe. And as you can see that I don't have this folder, like the node modules folders over here. So let's first understand how the React application is works. So basically there are two major things in the React application. So you can majorly see the packet.json file, and this is second we have the packet-log.json. Okay, so you might be thinking, what is the use case of those files? So if you run the command like the npm install, so let me show you. So this is the npm install command, and using this command we have installed the dependencies, which means if you want to run that application, so you have to install some of the dependencies. And if you want to install that dependency, so you need these both files like packet.json and packet-log.json. So this is the two very important files over here. So as you can see that if I open the packet.json, and as you can see that we have this dependency over here, and this is as a dependency for this application. So if we run the npm install command, so what will happen? It's going to check out all the dependency from the packet.json file, and it will be create a notes folder. So once we complete all the dependency using the npm install, then you can see that we appears a new folder called notes modules. Okay, and this is a very essential folder for us, because without that you cannot able to start your application. And once you're done with all the installation, then we use this npm start for starting the server. Okay, and then we can able to interact with our application using the browser. As you can see that we have this already working over it here. So let's understand how we are going to conduct this application and how we are going to run this image as well. So see you guys in the next video.